Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope all of you are doing well. So in this video we are discussing about the remaining element of the funnel builder. So let's start. Okay, so in the previous video we will cover the testimonial, and in this we are working on the custom section. So this is a code block. So in the custom section you can add the anything related to the code, like you can add HTML, Java, Python, CSS code here, and when you save it and preview the changes, then you will see the result. So this is about related to the code section. And next you have the survey. When you create the survey in the high level, so you can also add the survey from here, and you want to allow row to take the entire width. Okay, so we need to select survey, so you can select the survey from here. And the next you have style, you can select the padding, visibility, width. And the next we have calendar option on the booking page. This is mostly used on the booking page. You can add the calendar from here. You can select the calendar. Okay, so you can select this calendar. So this is the calendar, and you can pick the date, and the client will pick the date and book the meeting. Okay, so the next is, yeah, the style is same like the other element. So the next is map. You can add the map here, like you want to add the location, physical location of your business, of your shop, so you can use this map element. And there are a few settings of the map, and these are the style element. Next is SVGs. So like PNGs, you can also add the SVGs in the high level builder. So open the SVG editor, go to the raw editor. You can add the copy the element and paste it here in this raw editor. And the next you can click here, and then you, by clicking the section of it, you can change the color like this. Okay, so save it and the color will appear. So the next is review section. You can add the review of your client on your funnel. Okay, so you have to set the reputation management in the high level CRM, and then all the review will show in also the funnel if you are using this element. Okay, so the next is the number counter. If you want to add the number counter, like how much your product is selling, like 500 times this product and your offer will sell. And the next you can select the font from here, and the caption font, and the number font size. You can set the font size from here, and you can add more counter from here. And you can select the counter animation, means how much it takes to complete from 1 to 100, and the preview animation like this. And you can select the color from here, and the caption color, you can change the caption color also from here, and the background color, and the container background color. Okay, so the next is style option. Similarly, style option is same, so now we can skip it. Okay, so the next is the QR code. So when you are create the QR code in the high level CRM, then you can add the QR code here in the funnel. So all the users or the lead scan the QR, and they will open your site or the service page or the product, anything you want to link with the QR code, you can add it from here. So the next is pricing table. So this is also the new element of the funnel builder, and it is super easy to add the price. You are selling your service, like you are selling your service with the three plan, like basic, pro, and the enterprise. You can adjust and add the feature and choose the price with their respective CTAs. You can redirect to their respective page, like when they select get started button of the basic, they will go to the basic offer page. Okay, or the form. So you can add according to your business requirement. You can select the layout, carousel, and the comparison table, and the classic table. I think it is good to go. You can select the column gap, you can select the column row gap, you can select the image size if you are at the image, and the content type font, and also the title font size, caption font size, highlight the label font, and also the button text color, button caption font, and the feature font and the price font. You can adjust and customize each and everything. Okay, so the next you have the columns. Like you want to edit the basic, you want to add the enterprise. If you want to add more, you can add it from here. And next is show column title. If you want to hide or unhide the title, you can you can do it from here. And the next you have show column option. And the next you can add more feature, and add more feature according to your plan or according to your business model. So the next is fixed price, the subscription, and the price from, and the price range, and the per unit price, or the free, or you want to add custom text. So the next is the previous price, or you can add the previous price of the product and the present price. You can also show the discount from here and the show button option from here. And the next is the action of the button. Open the pop-up website URL, go to the step, and the next step you can select the step from here. And the next you have the style option. You can select the margin and the padding from here of the container or the column. And the next you can select the thickness, the border color, the border radius, and you can increase or decrease the radius from here. And also you can adjust the box shadow, the column, and the color, and the color of the container background color. You can add this, and the column background color, you can add this, and the head column color. Okay, so the next is head column background color. So how you can use this? Okay, for now you can skip it. We can cover this when you're building the funnel. Next is the title text color. You can change the title color from here. And the next is the subtitle color. You can adjust the color of the subtitle text. You can also customize each color and the each element color from here. Next you have the container width, and next you have the container height, and you can also set the visibility on the mobile, on the phone. So the next is the custom class and the CSS selector. You can skip it now. And the next, okay, so the next is a countdown timer. When you want to add the offer, and means that you are running the discount for the 2 days, so you can add the countdown timer. And you can also add the minute timer from here, and the day timer. Okay, so now in the day timer you have multiple options. Like day timer, you can select the content font, and like we can select it enter, so the font is changed. So you can select the font size, the subtext font, the font weight, and the color you want. Okay, sorry, you want to set the alignment and end at 6 a.m. or 2 p.m. or 6 p.m. And you can also select the time zone according to your client city or the location. And the expiry action, redirect to the URL, show or hide the element. So the next you can select the color from here, and also the label color. Okay, so in the minute timer you can select the minute from here, and all the options are same. Just you need to add the custom minutes, like how many times you want to run this timer. So you can also update this from here. Next is the expiry action. So when this expire, how what happened. Okay, so you want to hide or show the element, you want to hide this or redirect it to the URL. So you want to revisit action auto reset the timer, and auto expire for the 30 days or the 20 days. You can select it from here. And the next is hide timer and the show element, so you can select it from also here. So the next you are using the color, you can select the color from here, and the label color from here. Okay, so the next is the style option. You can adjust the style from here, and the container width and the container height, and the visibility for the mobile. And you can also select the visibility from the mobile and the desktop. And the next is the custom class color and the CSS selector. Okay, so I think we are cover it. And the next is the countdown timer. In the countdown timer we have also there is a similar option. in this. So we can review it once, all one by one. Subtext color, the alignment, and the next is that countdown type, expire end date, on which date this timer will end, and the end time, and you want to use any other language, either English, or you can select it from here, or you can select the language from here, like Spanish. You can select the time zone from here, and yeah, expiry action is same. And next is the color and the label color. So in the style option is same with the other timer of elements. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.